Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to Kraken farm GPO without Hoverboard Easy Guide. Start near high spawn zones and reset area by moving in and out of the map edge to trigger spawns repeatedly. Constantly check known spawn points and listen for audio cues indicating a Kraken. Keep distance until your team is ready and use ranged abilities first to avoid being pulled into dangerous melee. Choose gear that boosts mobility and keeps you afloat or mobile in water battles. Prioritize a stand with reliable ranged damage and crowd control to manage the Kraken tentacles. Stock up on healing items and status cleansers so you avoid long downtime between encounters. Designate one teammate as bait to kite the Kraken, while the rest focus damage to quickly finish the fight and secure the spawn rewards. Time your resets by watching spawn timers and moving far enough to force a respawn without needing a hoverboard. Attack from range and use cover or terrain to avoid being grabbed by tentacles, staying mobile to dodge sudden pulls. Rotate through spawn locations every few minutes to increase your encounter rate, and communicate clearly with teammates about baiting and cooldowns so fights end quickly, and you can farm efficiently without expensive movement items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.